If Windows 10 is freezing for you automatically, then watch this video till the end. Hello friends, in this video I am going to share you the solution of how to fix the problem of Windows 10 freezing randomly. So make sure that these freezes occur almost randomly and without much useful feedback. So this should be fixes because they are very frustrating. So I am going to give you some fixes that you need to try out. First of all, make sure to update your device drivers automatically. You can go to device manager and you can update all the device drivers from your device manager. Secondly, you need to enter window R, type in temp, delete all these files, temporary files. Third matter is go to control panel, click on system, click on advanced system settings. After that, click on advanced and click on settings in front of performance. Now again click on advanced, click on change, uncheck this option, click on custom. Herein you need to set the size, type in 2933 initial size, maximum size 2944 and click on OK. Now you need to open command prompt, right click on this and click on run as administrator. Type in sfc/scan now and press or enter. After doing this process, restart your PC and again check your PC whether it is coming or not. I hope this video helped you. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.